Hello and welcome to 9SEM. In this video, we are going to discuss about the code and standard for plumbing work, which we are referring in India. So plumbing codes are a set of rules and regulations imposed by cities, countries or states. In India, we are referring to National Building Code for the plumbing work. The National Building Code of India is a comprehensive building code published by Bureau of Indian Standard (BIS), is a national instrument providing guidelines for regulating building construction activities across the country. It serves as a model code for adoption by all agencies involved in the building construction. Also in India, Indian Plumbing Association (IPA) and International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials India (IAPMOI) has published several codes relating to plumbing. There are some IS standards published by Bureau of Indian Standard for the guideline of plumbing work, like IS 10446 year 2007 is for glossary of terms relating to water supply and sanitation. IS 1172 year 2007 is for Code of Basic Requirement for Water Supply, Drainage and Sanitation. IS 1742 year 1983 is the Code of Practice for Building Drainage. IS 2064 year 2007 is the Code of Practice for Selection, Installation and Maintenance of Sanitary Appliances. IS 2065 year 1983 is the Code of Practice for Water Supply in Buildings. IS 5329 year 1983 is the Code of Practice for Sanitary Pipe Work above ground for building. IS 6295 year 2007 is the Code of Practice for Water Supply and Drainage in high altitude and or sub-zero temperature region. IS 7558 year 1974 is the Code of Practice for Domestic Hot Water Installation. IS 10500 year 2012 is for drinking water. IS 11624 year 1986 is the guideline for the quality of irrigation water. IS 12183 year 1987 is the Code of Practice for Plumbing in Multi-Storied Building. Part 1 is for water supply. IS 12251 year 1987 Code of Practice for Drainage of Building Basements. IS 12976 year 1990 is for solar water heating system. IS 15797 year 2008 is for rooftop rainwater harvesting guideline. SP 7 2016, which is National Building Code 2016, in which Part 9 is for plumbing services. Part 9 Section 1 covers water supply in buildings, and Part 9 Section 2 deals with drainage and sanitation. Part 9 Section 1 is covering the public water supply, design of water supply system, principles of conveyance and distribution of water within the premises, hot water supply system, inspection and maintenance of water supply, additional definition in universal pipe frictional diagram and nomogram of Hazen and Williams equation for discharge computation,